Introducing the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the perfect companion for your culinary adventures. As a member of the best-selling Duo family, this versatile appliance combines the functionalities of 9 separate cooking appliances into one convenient package. With its 15 smart programs and intuitive control panel, the Instant Pot Duo Plus simplifies cooking and provides real-time feedback, ensuring delicious meals every time. Let's explore the features that make this appliance a must-have in any kitchen. Here are the key features of Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. 9-in-1 functionality. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and embrace the versatility of the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This all-in-one appliance can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, make yogurt, cook rice, act as a food warmer, sterilizer, and even function as a Sous Vide cooker. With its multi-functionality, the Duo Plus eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you both time and space in the kitchen. Improved stress-free venting. Releasing steam has never been easier thanks to the improved easy-release steam switch of the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This intuitive feature allows for effortless venting, ensuring safety and convenience during the cooking process. The steam switch also automatically resets when the lid is closed, providing peace of mind and preventing accidental steam releases. Real-time feedback and easy control. With the Instant Pot Duo Plus, you have complete control over every step of the cooking process. The easy-to-read display includes a full cooking progress bar, giving you real-time feedback on the stage of the cooking program. This allows you to monitor your meal's progress at a glance, ensuring perfect results every time. Quick one-touch cooking. The Instant Pot Duo Plus comes equipped with 15 customizable smart programs, making cooking a breeze. Whether you're preparing succulent ribs, hearty soups, flavorful beans, fluffy rice, tender poultry, creamy yogurt, or delectable desserts, simply select the appropriate program and let the Instant Pot handle the rest. These one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking and deliver consistent and delicious results. Versatile inner cooking pot. Experience even cooking and perfect sautéing with the Instant Pot Duo Plus's food-grade stainless steel cooking pot. The tri-ply bottom ensures even heat distribution, while the anti-spin design secures the pot, allowing you to sauté with confidence. This versatile cooking pot is designed to meet all your cooking needs and is built to last. Cook fast or slow. The Instant Pot Duo Plus offers the flexibility to cook your meals in a fraction of the time or indulge in slow-cooked perfection. With its pressure cooking feature, you can prepare delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Alternatively, embrace the comforting flavors of slow cooking and enjoy traditional recipes just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals with the Instant Pot Duo Plus. Its fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing pots and pans and hello to effortless maintenance. Proven safety features. Your safety is our top priority. The Instant Pot Duo Plus incorporates over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. With this appliance, you can cook with confidence, knowing that it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure the utmost safety. Ideal for growing families. Whether you're cooking for a growing family or preparing meals in advance, the Instant Pot Duo Plus has you covered. With its 6-quart capacity, it can easily cook for up to 6 people. It's the perfect solution for busy households or those looking to meal prep and batch cook for singles. Discover amazing recipes. Expand your culinary horizons with the Instant Pot Duo Plus. Download the free Instant Pot app, available for iOS and Android, and unlock a world of delicious possibilities. Browse through a wide range of recipes, create new favorites, and prepare mouth-watering meals with ease. Conclusion. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate all-in-one cooking appliance. With its 9-in-1 functionality, improved stress-free venting, real-time feedback, and versatile cooking pot, this appliance offers convenience, versatility, and safety. Enjoy quick and delicious meals, simplify your kitchen, and explore a world of amazing recipes. Join the Instant Pot revolution and elevate your culinary skills today.